What's up, YouTubers? Let's get started with this service. We want to start by unfastening the dipstick and opening the oil fill cap. This allows for smooth airflow when you drain the oil. Make sure to leave the cap partially on, so when you work on the vehicle, debris does not fall in. And you can either use jack stands or, in my case, some sort of ramps. If you use the ramps, make sure to apply wheel chocks as well as the parking brake for safety. And to locate the fill plug, it is straight down the middle. On the left, you'll see the engine oil filter. We'll get to that later. And it will say engine oil under the oil pan, which is convenient to locate. The items we will be using are an oil pan, a shallow funnel, a ratchet, a 17mm socket, some gloves, a good amount of towels, and I have a filter removal tool, but this is optional. This is just in case you guys have issues with it. A new filter, and these are 14mm washers. I ended up using OEM ones from Honda. And we have SAE 0w-20 motor oil. This is full synthetic and it is SN Plus rated for turbo engines. Have some papers and cloths to catch the spill. And again, your ramps, and in the back, make sure to apply your wheel shocks. So we're going to remove this short protective cover here. It's going to give us access to the engine oil filter. And they are 3 flatheads, pretty simple to remove. Quarter twist. And make sure to anticipate that the oil is going to shoot out about a foot, so it doesn't splatter on the concrete. And whoever serviced this car previously put on the wrong crush washer, so I had to remove it. Make sure not to use too much force because you can strip the threads. So the correct size is a 14mm. And you can see the softer material on the top there is meant to face the pan so that that material folds when you tighten it. So it'll create a seal. And these are around $1 at Honda, currently at my local Honda. And you should be able to remove your engine oil filter by hand. If you're having issues, make sure to use your tool. And same thing with applying. When you apply it back, the new one, make sure it's tight and snug, but you can take it off in the future if you need to. And for the new filter, I like to fill it up about halfway, because if you fill it up more, it's going to be at an angle and you might spill. And of course, make sure to lubricate the ring. And make sure to check that the old one did not leave its seal on the contact surface. Cleaning the contact surface also ensures for a better seal. Reattach the protective cover. And we're going to be using approximately 3.4 to 3.7 quarts of oil. It is recommended 0w-20 in the manual. That is including partially filling up the new engine oil filter with oil. But again, check your manual. Lastly, I like to check to see if there are any leaks. Everything looks good. Hope you guys enjoyed. I put a lot of effort into this video. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.